Now we will move towards our next topic. So before that, we need to understand one thing. That is, when does heat flows? Heat flows whenever there is a temperature difference, and the direction of heat flow is always from higher temperature to lower temperature. So whenever there is a temperature difference, heat always flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. This phenomena of heat flow is known as transfer of heat, which is our next topic. So in general cases, we can say that heat flows from a hot object to a cold object. That means heat flow from higher temperature to lower temperature means hot object to a cold object, and the flow of heat stops when the two objects attain the same temperature. That is, there is no temperature difference. When the two objects attain the same temperature, the heat will stop flowing between them. That means no heat will be transferred from one object to another when the temperature of the two objects are equal. This is all about transfer of heat. So, we know that matter can be of three types. What are they? Solid, liquid, and gases. According to this, that is, according to the state of matter, the transfer of heat takes place in different ways. They are conduction, convection, and radiation. So, conduction takes place in solid. That is, conduction takes place only in solids. Convection takes place in liquid and gases. And the last one, that is, radiation takes place in vacuum. Vacuum means nothing. That is, empty space. But before going into details about conduction, convection, and radiation, we will understand conduction, convection, radiation in a very simple language. For example, let us suppose teacher is in your classroom and a teacher asks the student that is seated in the last bench of the class. Teacher asks the students a book. Now, the student can do what? He or she, whatever may be, he or she can give the book to the teacher by three ways. He can either pass the book through his friends, that is, he is sitting in the last bench, so he or she can pass the book through his fellow mates to the teacher. This is the first case. Second case is he can give the book. He can come and give the book to the teacher directly. And the third case is he can throw the book to the teacher. So these are our three cases. So first case was what? He was passing the books through his fellow mates. So this passing of book, this passing is known as conduction process. And the second case is he gave the book directly to the teacher. That process is known as convection. And the third case was what? He just threw the book or throws the book to the teacher, so the teacher can catch it. So that is known as radiation.